Okay, so Accord is multiple things, but fundamentally it's a protocol. So as I mentioned, it's the privacy file system layer on top of Accord. And what that means is that with Arweave, it's sort of an append only. So you write a file
Hmm.
and you cannot change it, you cannot modify it, you cannot delete it, you cannot edit it, things like that. But you can post another file as a revision to that. But in the blockchain, there's really no connection between these two discrete objects in the chain. And so the protocol defines an abstract unit that we call a vault. And a vault would be similar to, say, an S3 bucket on Amazon AWS. So it's kind of like a bucket that you control. And on Accord, the ownership of that bucket can be transferable. So I can create a vault and transfer it to you later on. And
Interesting. Okay.
I can add different people to that vault, give them different access levels, so contribute or read only or ownership level. Um, and the protocol itself is very composable. So, for example, there's a messaging system that you can chat within a vault, but that can be extended and you can plug in other kinds of things. So it could be like a business process where there might be different people involved, checking off something or contributing something, or maybe a scientific research project. And you might have different data collection points, and you're storing structured data in your vault. In fact, one example of that is a tree reforestation project that we worked with, and
Oh,
they
cool.
store. So they track the growth of a new forest over time, and that data goes into a vault. And the idea is that 50 years from now, some scientists can go back and perform calculations on that data and see how much carbon was absorbed by that forest, for example. So the composability element is very powerful, and there's different people using it in different ways. So that's the protocol layer that lives on chain, and and that's what powers sort of everything else. So a Cord application, the Cord app itself, is a publishing tool. So that's kind of like a Dropbox like experience where you can work with your vaults and add people and things like that. Um, yeah, and then we have the developer tools, so you can integrate your project with other chains and with other Web2 experiences. And what we did, I think, is a little bit different than some of the other Web3 projects in the spirit of Web1 being kind of like folding into Web2, folding into Web3, is um, is we try to make the onboarding experience very easy. So you have a recovery phrase for your keys, but you log in with username and password, right? To make it really easy
Mm.
across all devices. And when you need more storage, you can just top up with your credit card.